We have now administered approximately 173,000 doses of vaccine across the province. More than 69,000 Albertans have now been fully immunized with 2 doses. Over the last 24 hours, we identified 273 new cases of COVID-19 and completed about 6,100 tests. Our positivity rate currently stands at about 4.5%. There are currently 235 schools under alerts or outbreaks, which is about 10% of all the schools in the province. We have identified 11 additional cases of the variant since yesterday, and on average, variant cases have accounted for about 3.5% of our new cases in February. There are currently 324 people in hospital, including 53 in the ICU. Sadly, I must announce that 16 new deaths were reported to Alberta Health in the last 24 hours. I will use a few charts today. This is not my usual approach, but I think these graphs may help show why I think these trends are worth sharing. Over the last few months, we have seen a sharp decline in our long-term care cases. As this graph shows, we have gone from a high of 776 active cases in long-term care on December 27th to 63 active cases on February 20th, a 92% decline in less than 2 months. As you can see on this chart, the number of new and active cases in school-aged Albertans has gone down since classes resumed in person. While there are some day-to-day fluctuations in new cases, the overall trend is downward since students returned to school in person. This final graph shows the decline in COVID-19 fatalities that have occurred over the last few weeks. As you can see, we have seen a downward trend in the number of deaths reported. The downward trends we're seeing in schools, hospitals, long-term care facilities, and other settings serve as a reminder that we have the power to limit transmission